Hi guys, I'm back again with another very exciting video and you are watching Vamsha Tech Box channel. So today I will be discussing one of the very hottest topic which is being discussed across the world, wireless power transfer. So basically wireless power transfer is also known as wireless energy transmission or electromagnetic power transfer. So if you heard any of these terminologies like wireless energy transmission or electromagnetic power transfer, so don't confuse, it means has the same meaning as wireless power transfer. So now a very important question arises that what is wireless power transfer? And because from childhood we have seen that power is transferred to any of the devices using wires, but if there would be no wires, then it's very confusing that how power can be transferred from one point to an other point, I mean from the source to the load. So yeah, it gives us a huge question mark that how it can be possible. So let's discuss about wireless power transfer, that what is it and how this process occurs. So basically, there is a transmitter device and there is a receiver device. The transmitter device is connected with a power supply and the receiver device is connected with a load. So basically, the transmitting device gets power from the power supply from where it is connected. Then it generates time varying electromagnetic waves across the space. So here, power is basically transferred to the receiving device through electromagnetic waves across the phase, and the receiving device basically just receive this power and then supply it to the load, and then this bulb get the power and it just light up. So this is the process behind wireless power transfer. Then one of the very important thing is that the basic principle behind that is that the both the devices, like in the cases the receiver and the transmitter, should have same resonant frequency, otherwise this process can't happen, and there is a minor loss of power to the off resonant objects. So this also occur, and it is very important to know that it can be transfer energy through short ranges or long ranges. So yeah, it's very effective, because in some cases when you want to transfer power from the source to a load, but there is some problem that you cannot pass wire through it, or the load is at such a point that there it can we cannot supply wires to transfer the power from the source. So in such cases it is very efficient, and it can take over the world. So now we will talk about what are the benefits behind wireless power transfer. So yeah, it is reliable, most important, it has very low maintenance cost, and it is very fast. And one more thing I would add, that there would be low chances of electrical shock, so because both these devices are galvanically isolated. So now let's talk about the losses of power transfer. So basically, we have been studying about the losses of power transfer from ages, and we have in school books or in college or at university we have studied that there is a resistance in the wire. So basically, when the current try to flow through the wire, there are atoms from which it collide, and here losses occurs. So basically, when you want to supply power from a source to the load, there are always losses, and in this way it is not effective. So yeah, resistance of the wires using the grid are the main losses of power transfer using wire, and there are also risk of electric shock. So we can get rid of both these problems with the help of wireless power transfer. So let's talk about history. Serbian scientist Nikola Tesla was the first one to research and propose the concept of wireless power transfer in the year 1899. And since then, many scientists have been working to make this version a reality. In the same year, he has continued research on wireless transmission, Colorado Springs, and writes the inferiority of the induction method would come into view in an immense as compared with the distributive charge of the ground and air method. So yeah, he was the first one to discuss about it, and now it's been widely discussed, and the scientists are working a lot on it. And there are many devices which are coming up and in the future, which are basically based on wireless power transfer applications. So let's talk about the applications of wireless power transfer. One of the application is stationary charging electric vehicle. So in this case, the cars are being charged when they are stationary with the help of wireless power transfer, because there is a battery inside the car and which got charged by using this application. There are also mobile phone chargers which basically charge the cell phone without there is a proper connection of wire between the charger and the cell phone. So yeah, it's also we can see this kind of applications. And there is also dynamic charging system which are based on wireless power transfer. So it is expected that the wireless power transfer industry will grow persistently in the coming decades. So thank you so much for watching Ramsha Tech Box channel. I will request you to please like and share my video, subscribe and press the bell icon, and let me know if you want me to make further videos on any of your desired topics. So please comment those topics in the comment section. Bye bye.